Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex. Today I want to show you this fantastic and super comfortable office chair, mesh office chair that this brand sent to me for this video. I'm going to show it to you in a close-up in a few seconds, but the bottom line is that this chair, it is, number one, super breathable. It's made of all mesh, so you're not going to have any issues when it's like a super hot day or something like that. Or if it's hot inside your house, you're not going to be sweating too much. The other thing, the lumbar support of the chair, this section over here, it is just out of this world. It is super, super comfortable, and you can even adjust it. You can even adjust the kind of like the seat as well, like the seat, the chair seat as well. And also this one supports 400 pounds. So it's actually quite a lot of weight for the size of this chair, which is really tall, but also comes with this headrest. By the way, before I show it to you in a closer look, this right here is the instruction manual for the assemble. It took me 15 minutes, no more than that. It is super easy and really, really intuitive to follow with this instruction manual. Let's check it out. So first section over here, perfect. Adjustable. You can go super, super tall if you are a tall person. But also, check this out. You can tilt it more if you even want, and you can lock it outside and you can tilt it in any position. So I'm going to put it just for my height, which is kind of like there. I'm going to do this and I'm going to lock it that way. So you can actually push it a little bit more to the back of your neck. And everything is mesh and breathable. The same thing here, super elastic mesh, but this is the one that I was just telling you before. This kind of like lumbar support over here, it has this fantastic retraction. So you will have this right here to kind of like fight those days that you're going to be sitting for a long period of time or something like that. But you can also, check this out, you can push it and you can lock it. So that is another thing that you can do with this lumbar support right here. Check it out. When I'm sitting, I'm going just like this way, and then just look at the kind of like shock absorption that this one have on my lower back area. That is fantastic. And the other thing right here, you're gonna find that the armrests are padded as well. They have some pads, and right here you're gonna find this button, which you can do this. You can put them backwards, you can put them forward, you can put them in an angle inside and outside. So that is really good for gaming. But then last but not least, you have a lever over here where you can adjust the seat forward and backwards. Just the seat, I'm telling you, you can adjust the seat to go like even closer to the actual lumbar support, or you can just push it a little bit more further if you want. You also have a leg rest right here, or foot rest actually. It's gonna be right for your ankle, so that is really good. I'm 5'10" by the way, and I weigh 180 pounds. This one is 400 pounds. But then once that you are over there, I think it was this one. I don't remember if it was this one. Okay, so now it's unlocked. What's gonna happen? This one, you're gonna find that now it's lock or unlock. Yeah, this one right here. Oh my God, this is fantastic. This is actually really, really comfy. It has a nice recliner with that shock absorption over here on the lumbar area, and the headrest. I'll remember that you can adjust more if you also need. This is a very, very comfortable chair for home office, productivity, or gaming. I'm gonna take a quick nap. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.